1.3 Managing Application Data. In this particular chapter and the chapter following to this ones, we are going to see different database options and looking at purely a syllabus. Okay. So syllabus says defining database schema for Google Managed Database, and the syllabus contains Cloud Data Store, which is DocumentDB, Bigtable, and BigQuery. We are not actually going to focus on only these databases. We are going to focus on all the database offerings and how you can define the schema for those. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with relational database management system, which is traditional database management system which is available for us to use it. Cloud SQL is RDBMS offering on Google Cloud Platform, out of which they offer it's MySQL enabled into Google Cloud. That is one option, and the second option is PostgreSQL. Both of these databases offerings are now generally available, so you can go ahead and use it for production purposes. So those are MySQL and PostgreSQL. You just go ahead and look at the versions which supports. Currently MySQL support 2 versions and Postgres support one particular version, but the number, you just go ahead and get the look at it. Read replicas, so you can create a read replica out of the Cloud SQL databases to create multiple instances, and you can optimize the read operations for your databases. So consider the case wherein you have a website and the website is serving the huge amount of data to the customer. Majority of those data is read data, though it is customer profile or the customer historical data. All of those data is the read data. You're not actually writing those data again and again or frequently. So you can use read replica or multiple read replicas to for such operations, and that will give you a really good amount of throughput, because you cannot have Cloud SQL as a horizontally scalable database. It is vertical scalable, but if you reach to a certain level, you will not be able to scale it out. The only option is you need to apply different options to optimize your throughput, and read replica is one of that. High availability configurations, you need to see how Cloud SQL or MySQL instance or PostgreSQL instances you can configure high availability. This is Google Managed Service. You do not need to manage any high availability aspect when, say, primary instance goes down. So Google itself or Google Cloud itself will create a standby instance for your Cloud SQL or main master instance, and if something happens to your master instance, then backup will become a master, or standby will become a master automatically, even without interrupting your connections to the client. Just look at the limitations, what you can and you can't do in Cloud SQL. There are some statements or certain features which are not supported currently in Cloud SQL. Just go ahead and look at those before using it. The other option that you have on RDBMS side is Cloud Spanner. Cloud Spanner is homegrown, you can think of, or grown by Google itself. So they have written it from scratch. They are not using any proprietary or open source technology to incorporate into Cloud Spanner. It is homegrown database. We are going to see the details of Cloud Spanner in next lecture. Thank you.